3, 2, 1, action.
Hello there. Thanks for choosing Skoda Financial Services to finance your new vehicle. We hope it's helping you explore the world around you. First up, we're delighted that you chose to finance your vehicle with our personal contract plan. To help you understand it, we've curated this personalized video to guide you through all of the elements. We'll walk with you step by step through your journey just to make everything effortless. Let's start with a reminder of your vehicle. Oh, and you can take a break from your walkthrough whenever you want by stopping the video to study a point in more detail. Fantastic. Let's take a look at your finance details. So, you've taken your finance over this many months. This is your APR. This is your monthly repayment. This is your balloon payment. And here's the total amount you'll pay. Just making sure you're still with us. Now, let's take a look at your key finance dates. This is your start date. And this is your end date. Then, at the end of your finance plan, you'll not only have loved driving your vehicle, you can either use any equity as a deposit for a new vehicle or pay the final balloon payment and any option to purchase fee and take full ownership. Or hand it back to us, subject to mileage and fair wear and tear charges. Okay? And we'll keep in touch with relevant information and offers relating to your finance and let you know the best time to change your vehicle. And don't forget, your local retailer is always on hand to help. I think that's everything. Oh, and here is everything. Remember, you can log into your online account to manage your agreement, such as payment dates and your personal details, as well as choosing how we communicate with you in the future. Now you're up to speed with your finance details. Enjoy driving your vehicle. And thanks for watching.
Thanks, everybody. That's a wrap.
Can I get a lift home? Nah, it's all right.